Can you imagine a world where respect is the universal language, where unity isn't just a concept, but a way of life? Let's embark on a journey to such a world where harmony resides in every corner and diversity is celebrated. Picture a bustling city brimming with life and energy. Here we find Amelia, an African-American woman of considerable size, her heart as vast as her infectious laughter. She owns a small bakery, her hands expertly kneading dough and sprinkling love in every pastry. People of all ages and backgrounds flock to her store, drawn by the intoxicating aroma of fresh bread and the warmth of her personality. Across town we have Liam, a young white student with dreams as bright as his smile. He spends his days immersed in books, his thirst for knowledge unquenchable. Liam volunteers at a local community center, helping children from diverse backgrounds with their homework, sharing his love for learning and nurturing their dreams. In the same city lives Aarav, an Indian immigrant, a man of few words but many talents. He works tirelessly in his small grocery shop, providing for his family and serving his community. His humble store is a haven for those seeking the comfort of home, a place where people from all walks of life can find a piece of their homeland. In this city, respect and unity are not mere words, but a way of life. Amelia, Liam, and Aarav, despite their differences, share a common bond. They understand that every individual has a story, every culture has its beauty, and it's the diversity that makes their city vibrant and alive. Their lives intertwine in beautiful ways, their stories a testament to the power of respect and unity. Amelia bakes bread using spices from Aarav's store, a blend of cultures in every bite. Liam learns about different cultures from the children he tutors, their stories enriching his understanding of the world. Aarav in turn finds comfort in the familiar faces that visit his store, their presence reminding him of the unity and diversity. These people, from different walks of life, are bound by a mutual understanding and respect for one another's cultures, traditions, and individualities. They live together, work together, and grow together, their lives a tapestry of diverse threads woven together with the threads of respect and unity. In conclusion, respect and unity are more than just ideals. They are the very essence of harmonious coexistence. Amelia, Liam, and Aarav, with their diverse backgrounds, show us that living in harmony isn't about erasing our differences but celebrating them. It's about understanding that our diversity is our strength. And it's the respect for this diversity that binds us together. After all, in the grand symphony of life, it's the different notes that create the most beautiful melody.